Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW 1 Series brake light only way. Open the boot and remove the access panel behind the tail lamp to reach the bulb holder. Unclip the wiring connector, twist out the bulb socket, and swap in the replacement bulb. Reinstall the socket, secure the panel, and test the brake light before closing the boot to ensure safe road use. With the boot open, peel back the carpet to expose the access cover and release its clips gently. Remove any visible 10 mm nuts that secure the tail unit and ease the unit outward without forcing it. Support the tail unit as you disconnect the wiring and twist the bulb socket to remove the old brake bulb, keeping parts organized for a smooth reassembly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for keeping you hydrated when working on a car. It seals tight and fits cup holders, so you won't spill wrench tea. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Grip the bulb socket, twist it counterclockwise and pull to free it from the tail unit, then remove the old bulb by pulling straight out. Insert the new bulb of the correct type, check the fit, and twist the socket back into place until it seats firmly. Reconnect the wiring, test the brake light while someone presses the pedal, and reattach the tail unit and cover to finish the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.